In this lesson, we'll explore how to study efficiently and comfortably inside your student account. Let's start with enrolling in a course. You can begin learning in just a few steps, whether you've been invited to a course or found it yourself. If you've been invited, you'll receive an email with a login link, your username, and an automatically generated password. Click the link to access the course site. If you already have a course landing page link, follow it to login. Enter your login and password, then click Login. Welcome to your student account, your central hub for taking courses, asking questions, submitting assignments, and receiving certificates. To personalize your account, click Edit Profile. Upload a profile picture, add your name and surname and your phone number. You can also set your time zone, date and time format, preferred language, and change your password. In the Mobile App for Students section, you'll find download links for studying on your phone. Click Save to apply your changes. Keep an eye on your Notifications tab. This is where you'll receive important updates from instructors and notification emails about your progress. In the Courses section, you'll see the tabs All Started, Scheduled, and Completed. You can sort your courses by category or creation date using the filters in the top right corner. To view courses from another academy, click Change Academy in the top left corner. To start a course, click Select a tariff. Review the available pricing options, select the one that suits you, and make the payment. If the course is free, click Enroll. Once the course opens, you'll see its structure on the left: sections, lessons, and tests. Click the first lesson to begin. Each lesson contains educational materials, text videos, or downloadable files such as guides, literature, or presentations. Click any file to download it to your device. If a lesson doesn't include an assignment, mark it as completed once you finish reviewing it by checking the Mark as Completed box. Then click the forward arrow to move on. You can ask questions directly within lessons. Click the Ask Question icon in the top right corner, type your message, and click Send. Instructor responses will appear in the Questions tab. Click a question to view the response and continue the discussion. If the instructor has set a minimum completion time, a countdown timer will appear. You can track your course progress and earn a certificate once you finish. Access to the next lesson may be restricted until you complete the previous one. If a lesson includes a homework assignment, it will only be considered complete once your instructor accepts it. Submit your work in the provided field, attach a file if needed, and click Send. The instructor will review it before approving your progress. You can save lessons, tests, or certificates for later by clicking the bookmark icon in the bottom right corner. To view saved content, open the Favorites tab. Some courses include tests. To take one, select your answer and click Next. After finishing, you'll see your total score. If the course offers certificates, you'll find them on the results page. Hover over your certificate in the Certificate section and choose an action. Change name, print, or download. You can also access all your certificates later in the Certificates tab. From the main page, open the Certificates tab, select one, and choose the action you want. Finally, use the calendar to track all your learning events: course starts, lesson and test release dates, certificate availability, and course completion. Each event is marked with a label based on its type: course, section, lesson, test, or certificate. If you ever need to delete your student account, go to Edit Profile and click Delete Account at the bottom of the window.